force and work. In that next point, force and acceleration. Take a glass marbles and let it roll on a big smooth tabletop. After some time, its velocity will decreases and it will stop. On a cardboard, on a carom cardboard too, the carom coins pushed by a sticker will move forward some distance and then come to a stop. If the coin is pushed after playing talcum powder to the carom board, it will keep moving for a longer time and then come to a stop. Means you take a, or one best example, a carom board, playing carom board. You are putting a talcum powder. Why? Because after putting a talcum powder, that surface is smooth, carom surface is smooth, and with the help of stagger you are kicking this coins, then that moving smoothly. The velocity of coin decreases due to the force of friction and the coin stops. Means force of fraction is decreases. Why? The velocity of the coin decreases. Why the velocity of the coin decreases? Due to the force of friction and the coin stops. If the fraction between the carom board and the coin is reduces, the coin keeps moving for a longer time. Means कैरम बोर्ड और कॉइन का फ्रिक्शन अगर कम हो जाता है तो वो कॉइन है जो वो मूविंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज talcum powder. It would means that if no force of fraction is acting on a moving body, it will keep on a moving with a constant velocity. The scientist Sir Isaac Newton was the first to study force and the resulting acceleration. Means scientist Newton is studied about this force and the acceleration. Newton's first law of motion: if no force is acting on a body, its velocity does not changes. That is, the body does not accelerate. In other words, if a body is stationary, it will remain stationary. Means if force is not there in a body, then body is stationary. It will remain stationary. If it is a motion, it will continuously moving with the same velocity in a same direction. If that body is in a motion, then that body is moving continuously in a same direction. You have learned what is meant by a force. What is meant by a force? A fraction that brings about acceleration is called as a force. Learn the definition of force. The interaction that brings about the acceleration is called a force. You have seen that the body is accelerating due to force. Why body is accelerating? Due to force. Suppose you place a 1 kilogram standard weight. See the chapter number measurement. In measurement we will see in the details. You place a 1 kilogram standard weight on a surface with no friction and pull it with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. How to read this? 1 meter per second square. The force is applied 1 Newton. 1 N. This is capital N is a symbol of Newton. Is called as a 1 Newton. Means suppose you are pulling a 1 kilogram weight. Then you need how much force? 1 Newton force. Try this. Place a weight of 1 kilogram of a smooth wooden table. Spread some talcum powder evenly on a table. Pull the 1 kg weight with the acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Again pull it with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. It means that now you have applied a force 2 newtons. Now see here, for 1 kilogram we required 1 Newton force, and here for 2 kilogram we required force 2 newtons. You will have to take many trials of this experiment. Force is measured by the acceleration that is produced. We have learned about the relationship between the displacement of a body resulting on the force applied to it and work done. In the same lesson we have already learned about the displacement. We have also learned about the work energy relationship, and that is the ability to work is called as a energy.